my fellow ZIKers. I did some product research to find items that can sell well all year long, also known as evergreen products. Imagine how powerful it would be to have products in your store that you can rely on to generate sales year-round, without needing a special holiday or season to boost sales. Studying sales means studying income, and that's what we're aiming for when building a stable e-commerce business. So, today, I'm going to reveal the products I discovered during my research using ZIK Analytics, and you're going to be amazed by the results. Well, not just might, you're definitely going to be amazed. Some of the products I'll show today might be new to you, and you'll be surprised by how many sales they can generate all year long. So without further ado, let's start with the first product in today's list. So we have the 360 phone rotation holder. So the first item on today's list is related to a product that almost everyone carries in their pocket. Well, almost everyone. If not, I'd be curious to know how you manage without it. I'm talking about smartphones. In recent years, we've seen a spike in sales for smartphone accessories. And this year, there's a high demand for this particular item. As you can see, it's a metallic phone holder. Buyers can use it like a ring to hold their smartphone or as a phone stand to watch movies, for example. Yes, this is the definition of a product that can sell year-round. The price of this item in this store is $29.98, which is quite reasonable for a luxury-looking product made of metal. We can also see the phone holder niche on Google Trends with a slight spike in December, which means this niche is one of the best evergreen items out there. Now let's check the potential of this item. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this store's URL to the ZIK store sales tracker to reveal information that Shopify doesn't share. Okay, so right off the bat, I see that this product sold 51 times in the last 30 days, which is not bad at all. Now let's calculate how much profit this store made from this item. For this, I'll use the product finder to see if I can find the exact product on AliExpress. And I believe that this one looks promising. Can you see it? It's the exact same item. The seller is dropshipping. The images are identical, and even the variation names match. And did you notice the price, ZIKers? Only $6.56 plus $1.99 for shipping. That's 3.5 times less than the store that's successfully selling this item. Plus, I see a variation for the new iPhone 16. With the recent buzz about this model, I could even run paid ads targeting only iOS users and generate quality traffic to this item. Now let's calculate how much this dropshipping store made from this product alone. So the dropshipping store sells this item for $29.98. The Shopify fees are 2.9%. plus 30 cents per transaction, totaling $1.16. Now the cost on AliExpress is $8.55, including shipping. So the profit from each sale is $20.27. With 51 sales in the past 30 days, the store made approximately $1,033 in profit before ad and operational expenses. This store earned over $1,000 in profit from a product sourced entirely from AliExpress. Horsehead wine rack. The next product is perfect for anyone looking to showcase the elegance of their home with luxurious decor. These days, home decor has become an integral part of a home's vibe, and we can see that reflected in the sales of this niche. Now, here's a great example of such a piece. So you can see how luxurious this item looks, and priced at $47.99 with free shipping, it seems like a great deal. Now let's take a closer look at this item using the ZIK store sales tracker. Okay, so I can see that this product sold 7 times in the past 30 days. Not bad. So using the item finder, I found several AliExpress sellers offering the exact same item. So I went ahead and opened this one. Now this is the exact item, and it's sold for $32.01 with free shipping. Now let's calculate how much this dropshipping store made from this product alone. So the dropshipping store sells the item for $47.99. You have the Shopify fees, the 30 cents per transaction, totaling $1.69. Then you have the cost on AliExpress, which is $32.01, including the shipping. Now, the profit from each sale is around $14.29. With 7 sales in the past 30 days, the store made approximately $100 in profit before ad and operational expenses. If you decide to add products like this to your store, it's better to market them organically rather than using paid ads. Since this item is associated with wine, and Meta, such as Facebook and Instagram, restricts advertising alcohol and related accessories, organic marketing is a safer approach. Now, this product is a good fit for a general or niche store, but I wouldn't recommend creating a store solely focused on these types of wine holders. I mean, it's a good profit, but it's not the best. So what do you think about the first 2 products? Are you going to give them a try in your store? Write your thoughts in the comments below. I'm curious to know your answers. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to receive the best content that will elevate your store to new levels. Okay, so let's continue with this fan air conditioner. So we can see an example of this item in this store that I have already prepared for you. Now, this is a great item because it's for those who don't want to invest in an expensive air conditioner. They can fill this fan with cold water and enjoy a cool breeze. Now, you might be asking yourself, why is this item on today's list? And I can answer that in 2 words. Smart dropshipping. What is smart dropshipping? If I know I can source this item from AliExpress and ship it worldwide, I can market this item to 2 main countries. So when summer ends in one country, I can promote the product in another. What does that even mean? For example, I'll offer this item in the US during the summer, which runs from June to September, and then market the same item in Australia from December to February. That's what I call smart dropshipping. You can also see an example of the demand here. Here we can see the peaks in demand for fan air conditioner in the US over the past 5 years. And here we can see the demand for the same item in Australia, which is the opposite of the US. Nice idea, don't you think? Now let's check out how many of these items this store has sold. So again, we search for the URL in the ZIK store sales tracker. And we can see that this item sold 133 times in the last 30 days for $80. Now, by sourcing this item using ZIK Analytics, I found the same product on AliExpress. And can you see it? This is the same exact item. It costs $30.69 with free shipping. I can also offer the other two colors in my store at the same price as the white one, but look at the price of the other colors. Only $8.61 for the same item, just different color. Also, smart dropshipping. Now let's calculate how much this dropshipping store made from this one product alone. So the store sells this item for $80. You have the Shopify fees of 2.9%, 30 cents per transaction, totaling $2.62. The cost on AliExpress is $30.80, including shipping. The profit per sale is $46.58. With 133 sales in the past 30 days, this store made approximately $6,195 in profit before ad and operational expenses. Smart dropshipping, right? Now, the next item can be a year-long gift or a product for personal use. The fast-drying hair towel. Now, you can see an example of that in this store. You have the Beauty House store selling this product. I personally like how this store added the term magic microfiber to the title to attract more buyers. A great technique to increase the conversion rate to sales. Additionally, to maintain a high conversion rate, the store emphasizes in the product description that this item is suitable for every hair type. Now, let's take this store's URL and scan it using ZIK's store sales tracker. Okay, I can see that this item is priced at $16.14 US dollars. And has sold 58 times. Now, using ZIK, I was able to find the exact same item from AliExpress. Again, can you see it? Wait, do you see the sourcing price of this exact item? It's only $2.53, plus an additional $1.99 for shipping. And I can even see more color options available to add to my store. Now let's go ahead and calculate how much this dropshipping store has made from this product. Now the store sells this item for $16.14. Shopify fees are 2.9%, 30 cents per transaction, totaling 77 cents. The cost on AliExpress is $4.53, including shipping. The profit per sale is $11. With 58 sales in the past 30 days, the store made approximately $638 in profit before ad and operational expenses. Okay, ZIKers, are you ready for the last product of today's video? Before I share it with you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to boost your product research process and find many profitable products to add to your dropshipping store, you can subscribe to ZIK Analytics for only $1 for the first week. Okay, so the next product is highly practical, something every driver would love to add to their car. Now, it's called the Car Visor Organizer. It's a functional product with great value. And here is an example of a store that is selling this product. As you can see, practically a year-round use are key features of this dropshipping product. Now, the product costs $39.99 plus $4.99 for shipping. By scanning this store with the ZIK store sales tracker, I can see that this product sold 83 times in the past 30 days. And by using the product finder, I found several AliExpress sellers offering the exact same item. So let's go ahead and select this one. Now, this is the exact same item that the store is selling, and it only costs $18.65 with free shipping. That's a catch. Now, let's calculate how much this dropshipping store made from selling this product from AliExpress. The store sells the item for $44.98. Shopify fees are 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction, totaling $1.60. The cost on AliExpress is $18.71. The profit per sale is $24.67. With 83 sales in the past 30 days, the store has made approximately $2,070 in profit before ad and operational expenses. Now, the last item on today's list is a must-have for every car, and as a result, its sales are high year-round. I'm talking about the car charger. Now, when I say car charger, you might think of the old-fashioned chargers that can only charge one phone and slowly. Well, think again. With today's technology, car chargers are fast and stylish. And yes, they can charge multiple phones at the same time. And here is an example of this particular phone charger. As you can see, this is a high-tech phone charger or car charger. And I would say it's hard to easily guess the sourcing price of an item like this. Now, the item costs $38.98 plus an additional $4.99 for shipping, bringing the total to $43.97. Now, by checking this item with ZIK's store sales tracker, you can see that this item sold 52 times in the last 30 days. Okay, so let's see if we can source this item from AliExpress. So you go on the item finder like we have been doing before, and you can go ahead and pick any of one of the results you get. And for this example, I went with this one, and you can see it's the same item. So we're going to go with this product. And looking at all of the features and everything they're offering, it is definitely the same item with the same images and the product qualities. And it only costs $17.20 with free shipping. Now, because this is an electronic device, it's important to ensure we're sourcing it from a reputable seller and checking the product rating, as we don't want to sell items that could lead to returns. And from my view on AliExpress, I can see that this product has a 4.8 star rating, which is great. And also, it has sold almost 500 units, indicating good quality. So remember to check the product's reputation on AliExpress, especially if you want to dropship an electric product like this one. Okay, my fellow ZIKers, we've reached the end of this video. Remember that adding products that can sell year-round, like the items I showed you today, can lead your store to generate stable daily sales and improve your profits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.